Despite having some top international stars in their lineup over the years, Royal Challengers Bangalore haven't been able to lift the title in any of their 12 attempts. They reached the finals thrice, in 2009, 2011 and 2016, but failed each time. They have endured a miserable struggle in the last 3 editions, finishing bottom in 2017 and 2019 and 6th in 2018. Over the years, they have struggled to settle on a perfect playing combination, especially in the bowling department. So how will RCB fare this year? The batting of Royal Challengers Bangalore has revolved almost entirely around Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers ever since Chris Gayle left after 2017. They've signed up Aaron Finch, Australia's limited overs captain, to shoulder the responsibility, and he brings good form with him from the England series. Parthiv Patel, the team's 3rd highest run getter in 2019, may have some competition from Devdutt Padikkal if the team decides to give de Villiers the gloves. 20-year-old Padikkal is uncapped but has already impressed the team management with his prolific run in the Indian domestic circuit. Gurkirat Singh showed glimpses of his talent late last season and has opportunity to cement his place this season. Yuzvendra Chahal, who had a breakout season when the IPL last came to the UAE in 2014, remains the trump card in the spin-based attack of the challengers. Washington Sundar, Shahbaz Ahmed and Pawan Negi will also provide able support to Chahal. Then there's Moeen Ali, another formidable spin bowling all-rounder who has experience of bowling with the new ball. Kohli's eagerness to rope in Dale Steyn was hardly a surprise, as he has seen his bowling unit fail collectively over the years, something that has cost the team dearly. Death bowling has been an Achilles heel for Royal Challengers in the past, and they have tried to plug that gap by going for Chris Morris. In Umesh Yadav, they have an India regular in the pace department with Mohammad Siraj and Navdeep Saini as backup. In a sparkling season for Bengal, Shahbaz Ahmed became their go-to man with the ball, picking up 35 wickets. He not only ran through teams with his left-arm spin, but also played a crucial supporting role to their fast bowlers when needed. In the UAE, we might see Ahmed edging out Pawan Negi in the pecking order for the Royal Challengers and playing in any combination that involves 3 spinners. Royal Challengers Bangalore once again are studded with some of the top overseas internationals and seem to have one of the most balanced outfits. With a potent spin attack and a good mix of youth and experience, one of the most followed sides can aim for glory in the UAE.